Jamming with the root note. Now that you're taking your jamming skills to the next level, it's time to also involve the root note in your playing. In short, the root note is the note that each scale builds from, and you can find it in multiple positions in each shape. In shape 1 of the minor pentatonic scale, you'll find the root notes here. In shape 2, they are here. And this is where you'll find them in shape 5. Involving these notes will sound great with the music as they're the notes that the song revolves around. So try to memorize these root notes and play them a lot. Now, there are many ways of involving the root note in your jamming. One great way to get you going is to start and end your licks on the root note, as they make the licks fit very well with the music. The upcoming lessons will focus on how to build licks and melodies using these shapes as well as the root note. Good luck and rock on!